I was reading a piece by Russell Wigginton. He's the current president of the Civil Rights Museum in Memphis, Tennessee. And we were talking about economic inequity. He was talking about economic inequity and poverty and things like that. And he said that Dr. King knew that if we could unite behind a cause mutually, that change would come. Wow. Are we missing change because we can't ever get on the same page? Are we only looking out for our homies, our besties, our friends, our partners, and those in the bond? Our collective problems are much bigger than your crew. The Tower of Babel, God even said, the people are of one mind and of one language. Now nothing can be restrained. Stop missing things because you won't unify. Unity is the word. Be blessed.